issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kaufman County in north-central Texas, northwestern Van Zandt County in north-central Texas, until noon Central Daylight Time. At 10:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kaufman, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Terrell, Seagoville, Kaufman, Kenton, Wills Point, Grand Saline, Crandall, Talty, Edgewood, Fruitvale, Lake Tawakoni State Park, Oak Grove, Post Oak Bend City, Oak Ridge, and Lawrence. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 486 and 525. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.